Swiss machining, also known as precision machining, is a specialized manufacturing technique that uses tool cutting equipment designed to transform metal stocks into more complex and delicate components. Due to the nature of this type of machine, computer numerical control, CNC, Swiss machining services offer increased precision to create integral manufacturing parts. The parts of a Swiss machine. The two main features of a Swiss lathe are the guide bushing and sliding headstock. On the one hand, the guide bushing provides support that's necessary to eliminate unnecessary movement and deflection. On the other hand, the sliding headstock holds the material and slides it on the machine's bed to start the production process. These key components enable the machine to enhance stability, improve machine performance, and heighten quality to transform raw materials like plastics, metals, titanium, and aluminum into more delicate pieces. How Swiss machines work. To understand how they can transform various materials into intricate components, we need to understand how they work. First and foremost, Swiss machines work by feeding a bar, also known as a workpiece, into the guide bushing. This holds the workpiece in place and firmly supports the material to avoid vibration. Then, it feeds it to the tooling area, where the production phase takes place. When the portion of the bar is placed accordingly, the machine can finally start to shape into a specific design, following strict quality standards. Swiss machines are made with several axes, giving them the ability to turn and move with more flexibility and accuracy. No matter how delicate the design is, the multi-axis feature of this edge equipment offers quality assurance and guarantees 100% precision. Ultimately, this machine can produce small and intricate parts at an extremely fast speed and high volume, so numerous industries can benefit from it. Where is precision machining used? Precision machining can apply to numerous industries, including dental, medical, automotive, aerospace, electronic, military, and energy sectors. The parts produced by this type of machine are used in developing medical devices, firing pins, optical equipment, timepieces, shafts, and connecting components for electronic gadgets and aerospace technologies. Compared to conventional lathes, Swiss machines are much more versatile. They can generate even the tiniest and most complex pieces with incredible accuracy. For this reason, many industries that follow strict guidelines incorporate this machine in their manufacturing process. The advantages of CNC Swiss machining. Besides the precision this type of machining offers, other advantages make this equipment incredibly sought after. Below are just a few of the benefits you can expect from precision machining. Extremely tight tolerances. CNC Swiss machines support workpieces right next to the operation belt throughout the process, making it more stable and virtually unaffected by external forces. Because of this, there's little room for error, even with more complex pieces. Greater productivity. The Swiss screw machines are equipped with a computer numerical control, also referred to as CNC, to meet strict specifications. All you need to do is input a code and add a program instruction to start the milling process. There's no need to have a manual operator on standby because this machine can complete the process from start to finish all on its own. With its built-in technology, it can perform tasks with greater productivity and efficiency. It can even perform numerous operations simultaneously, without causing any mistakes. Higher versatility. Although this machine is ideal for smaller parts, for instance, those with diameters of 1¼ and 3/4 of an inch, it can also accommodate workpieces with much bigger diameters and longer lengths. No matter what bar you're working with, the Swiss machine can get the job done for you. Larger savings. With tight tolerances and little room for error, the Swiss machine doesn't produce a lot of waste. This, in turn, translates to lower amounts of raw materials a company needs to invest in. By decreasing the workpieces needed to produce parts, the organization, ultimately, lowers its overall production cost without compromising quality. More ready-to-ship parts. Finally, Swiss machines produce fine and precise results immediately, making it unnecessary to go through secondary operations. That being said, companies can ship their outputs to customers instantly after the cutting process. Ready to try Swiss machines? We at Berkness Swiss specialize in precision component manufacturing to help you generate the parts you need for your clients. Through our specialized Swiss-type turning and custom grinding tools, we are your one-stop shop for all machining resources. With our fast, responsive, and experienced team of experts, high-quality and budget-friendly services, and reputable machining capabilities in Minneapolis and beyond, we can guarantee 100% customer satisfaction. Get a free quote with us today and bring out the best in all your projects. Thanks for watching.